This 7-mile beach condo has ocean views from every bedroom, boasting immersive panoramic views of Cayman's blue waters. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Kate Riley with Property Cayman. Welcome to Seafire N701. Step inside to a wide floor plan offering not one, but 2 expansive beachfront balconies. The top-of-the-line kitchen is outfitted with marble countertops, sub-zero appliances, and marine-grade custom cabinetry. But the real difference? A flawless master suite featuring his and her walk-in closets, a separate bathtub and shower, and a private balcony overlooking the ocean. What's more, the Seafire residence shares 12 acres with the adjacent Kimpton Resort, where owners have access to all the luxury amenities and restaurants. Breathtaking views, flawless finishes, and unrivaled amenities. Seafire N701 offers luxury resort-style living for everyday life.